is grade 2. Today our topic is name the numbers. In this lesson we will learn how to name the numbers and how to write them. Here we have some examples. Let's come and solve. Here we have a number which is 3, 4, 2. First of all, we need to know the position of these numbers. In this number, 2 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, and 3 is in 100 place. 3 is in 100 place, so here we write 3 with its position, which is 100. 4 is in 10's place, so here we write 4 tenths. And 2 is in 1's place, so here we write 2 ones. 300 means 100 times 3. 4 tens means 10 times 4, and 2 ones means 1 times 2. 100 times 3 means 300. 10 times 4 means 40. And 1 time 2 means 2. So student, do you know how will we read it? Yes, 342. And how will we write it in words? Yes, 342. Very good. Here we have another example. The number is 6. Let's find the position of the numbers. 6 is in 1's place, 9 is in 10's place, and 4 is in 100 place. 4 is in 100 place, so here we write 4 with its position, which is 100. 9 is in 10's place, so here we write 9 tenths. 6 is in 1's place, so here we write 6 ones. 400 means 100 times 4. 9 tenths means 10 times 9. 6 ones means 1 time 6. 100 times 4 means 400. 10 times 9 means 90. And 1 time 6 means 6. So, how will we read it? 496. Very good. And do you know how will we write it in words? Yes, very good. 496. Very good. Oh wow. Here we have another example. The number is 361. First we will find the position of the numbers. In this number, 1 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, and 3 is in 100 place. 3 is in 100 place, so here we write 3 with its position, which is 100. 6 is in 10's place, so here we write 6 tenths. 1 is in 1's place, so here we write 1 ones. 300 means 100 times 3. 6 tens means 10 times 6. And 1 ones means 1 times 1. 3 times 100 means 300. 10 times 6 means 60 and 1 times 1 means 1. So how will we read it? 361. And how will we write this number in words? Very good. 361. Very good. Hope you understand how do we name the numbers. So here I have put some examples and you have to solve by yourself. And after doing these examples, you will be able to do countdown book page number 13 and 14. Hope you all will do well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.